first set out on this journey for a new PC build, I decided I want to be more intentional with my decisions, more thoughtful, more mindful of my space and creative workflow. My aim was to build something that would not only satisfy my system requirements, but my mental ones as well. And I started looking into this small form factor world, right? And I went down a deep Reddit rabbit hole. Seeing these small builds, the limited flexibility on cable management, the concerns about thermals, I wasn't fully convinced, right? But I gotta say, by the end of this journey, sitting here with my new small form factor PC, I kind of don't hate it. But the craziest thing I've noticed, I have more energy now. I'm more mindful of my day-to-day tasks. I'm waking up without an alarm. I'm not checking my phone as much. I'm more of a pretentious douchebag than ever before. It's amazing.